In this video, we will show you how to make an account on Preply as a tutor. If you guys want to get started with Preply, use the links in the description. Go to the Preply website and click on Get Started. Select the option, What do you want to learn? And then Get Started. First, select your goal and hit the Continue button. Next, choose your English level and then select the specific culture or accent. After that, select your specific interest and then the time for the lesson. Lastly, choose the budget per lesson and click Continue. It will start finding tutors to motivate you. To become a tutor, click Become a Tutor at the top of the website. Sign up using your email address or continue with your Google account. Choose your Google account and click Continue. Provide basic information about yourself, including name, email address, country, subject, and more. After providing the correct information, click Save and Continue. Select the language you want to use to write and press Add Language. Click Save and Continue and add a profile photo. Select from your device and click Upload a new photo, which ensures all the requirements. Next, add the teaching certification and select I don't have a certificate option if you don't have one. Now add the profile description including your introduction, teaching experience, motivation, and a catchy headline. Click Continue and record a short horizontal video introduction up to 2 minutes. Click Save and Continue. Select your availability and choose the rates for lessons. Hit Complete Registration and it will review your profile within 5 business days. Once approved, students from around the world can book lessons with you. So that is how to make an account on Preply as a tutor. Use the links in the description to get started with Preply. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.